Okay, so in this function I can see I'm given a piecewise function and that I have to find the value of a that will make the function continuous. Now I'm going to use, of course, the three conditions of continuity to justify this. So let me get some room here. Shrink this down. Okay, so first thing I'm going to do is we notice that both functions are quadratics. So from the left it's quadratic, which is continuous. From the right it's quadratic, which is continuous. So I just have to be concerned about where these two functions meet, which will be at 2. So I'm going to find, first of all, the first condition of continuity is what is the value of 2? The value of 2 must exist. So 4 minus 2 times 2 squared, which would be 2 squared is 4 times 2 is 8. So the value at 2 is negative 4. Now the second condition of continuity is that the limit as I approach 2 from the left has to equal the limit as I approach 2 from the right. And then of course the third condition of continuity is that the limit must be equivalent to the value at 2. So now let's go ahead and take a look at this then. So we know f of 2 is negative 4. And that must be equal to the limit as I approach 2 from the left and 2 from the right. Sorry, I realized here that I didn't put the 2. And then of course I should be writing the limit of the function. The limit of the function, right? Okay. Now let me go ahead. As I approach 2 from the left then, that's going to be 2 squared minus a squared times 2, because that's when x is less than 2. And we know we've already solved that 4 minus 2x squared at 2 is negative 4. So doing a little math here, I get 4 minus 2a squared is equal to negative 4. Subtract the 4 from both sides. Negative 8 is negative 2a squared. Divide by negative 2. 4 equals a squared. Take the square root of both sides, and I get plus or minus 2 is equivalent to a. So if I were to check that and plug that back into the left side, I'd have 2 squared minus 2 squared times 2. So I get 4 minus 4 times 2 is 8, which is negative 4. And that also is the value at 2.